guys, so I was just cleaning my room today because people are gonna probably come and I'm gonna clean my room. And I found like 1,000 LOLs in my room. So I had this stand with all my LOLs on it. And just so you know, it's just great to see you guys when I do my videos. So let me get started and show you all the names, tell you all the names if you don't have LOLs. And that's how you'll do it. First I have 2 Jet Sets Cuties, Insta Gold, Batty, and Little Boat Nido. Her Majesty, 3 Little Mischief, one of the spies that I don't know their names yet. And if you do know their names, please comment down below so I know it. And here's one of the other ones. So I think I don't know her name yet because I haven't looked on the thing. If you guys want, I will look after this video, tell you the names that I don't know yet, or I can look right now and tell you. So let me get it. What? I think her name, I'm gonna read that later. So I have, whatever her name is, I have this little kitty, I think this is a Skeeter, I'm not sure. This is Fancy, just in a different outfit right now. Snow Bunny, Skater Girl,
MC Swag,
and Cheer Captain, Yang Cutie, I think Fancy, and I got a special ball for my birthday this year, and I think this is Lux Horse, I'm not sure. Here is Mer Baby, but I just have her in a different outfit. I think this is one of the girls that I do not know the name of. Here's Sparkle MC Swag, Witchy Bebe, Teacher's Pet, I'm not sure what her name is. If you guys do know, please tell me, because I don't know any of the names that much. Another Skater Girl. One of her names I do not know yet. And Little Fancy, Little Baby in the Woods, and Hops. That's all I have. And then I have these mirrors from all the hair girls I had got. So these are all the mirrors. I probably have more everywhere. And now I'm going to show you the bags that I got while I was here cleaning my room. So they're all in here. So I'm going to open this in here. So I just use this one because I got it before. So first I have the dresses, bathing suits, just normally the clothes. And I also have the wigs that came in this. I have the hair stuff basically in here. The bags, I have all the bags in there. I have hats. Well, I don't have all the bags, but I have those too. But those are the hats. And here are the, bottles. And I only have 2 chai bottles when I have 3 of them, which is really weird, but I don't know why. I have all the glasses that I got, and the shoes and the accessories. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.